Coach, may konti kayong adversity with San Miguel and even yung sa Phoenix. Ano masabi mo na eventually na-overcome yung in-game?
Actually, I look at it as as a good test for us. Kasi a lot of the games are going to go down in the last 3, 4, 5 minutes. And you have to know how to handle those last 5 minutes. Sa San Miguel, ganun din eh. Umabol lang kami last 3 or 4 minutes. So to me, I look at it as a good sign. You're able to catch up and make a game out of it. And then this game naman, we're able to put some distance between us and them in the last 3 or 4 minutes. I think that's a good sign of a team that's maturing. They're making the right decisions in the end game. They're executing. They're making stats. So, parang gusto ko nang maniwalang contender kami, pero hindi pa ako convinced masyado. Tingnan pa natin.
Sabi ko nga, ayaw kong maniwala na contender kayo. You play Ginebra on Friday. You think pag naka-isold kayo sa Ginebra, maniniwala ka na?
Medyo maniniwala na ako pagka nadalawaan namin yung Ginebra. Pero sa ngayon, hindi pa ako masyadong kumbinsido.
Coach, ikaw game na yun, ha? Maganda rin yung panalo nyo sa Tandon nun eh. Will natin dun sa game sa Friday?
I'm sure they'll be much more prepared. Kasi first game nila yun eh. Nung kalaban kami, they came out of the off-season. I know they were busy. Coach Tim Cone was busy with Gilas. All the other players, a lot of them were recuperating from injuries. So the Ginebra we played in Canton is not the real Ginebra. So ito nga, gumaganda na yung laro nila. So on Friday, we will be playing a tougher team, a better condition team, and I'm sure ayaw nilang maulit yung nangyari sa Canton. Pero kami gusto namin maulit. So magandang laban.